In recent times, the electric bike industry has seen remarkable advancements in range, with manufacturers increasingly exploring innovative solutions to address the limitations of battery life. One intriguing development in this realm is the emergence of dual and even triple battery setups. The addition of extra batteries significantly extends the range of electric bikes, while also allowing riders to maintain a lightweight profile on shorter trips. E-bike manufacturers are continually striving to push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of range. One brand that has recently caught the attention of e-mobility enthusiasts is Fiido, a Chinese company known for producing affordable and decent quality electric two-wheelers. Fiido's latest model, the Titan, represents a departure from the typical small and lightweight two-wheelers the brand is associated with. This all-terrain electric bicycle features fat tires and stands out by equipping not one, not two, but three batteries, providing it with an impressive claimed range of up to 400 kilometers, or about 250 miles on a single charge. From an appearance perspective, the Fiido Titan strikes a balance between a commuter bike and a fat tire mountain bike. Its robust 4-inch wide tires provide excellent traction for various terrains, while the low step-through frame ensures accessibility for riders of different heights. The inclusion of a suspension fork further enhances the riding experience, making it comfortable even on rough and uneven surfaces. The integrated luggage rack at the rear adds a practical touch, allowing users to carry their belongings with ease. Notably, the Titan boasts a remarkable payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks and riders. Bringing such a heavy-duty electric bicycle to a halt requires reliable stopping power, and Fiido doesn't disappoint in this regard. The Titan is equipped with four-piston hydraulic disc brakes that grip onto substantial 203mm rotors, ensuring effective braking performance, even when the bike is loaded to its full capacity. In terms of performance, the Titan is powered by a mid-drive motor, delivering 750 watts of power. This substantial power output allows the bike to achieve a top speed of 45 km per hour or approximately 28 miles per hour. The bike's power is efficiently managed by a torque sensor-powered controller that offers up to 5 levels of pedal assistance, making it easy for riders to choose the level of support they need. This selection can be conveniently made through a display located on the bike's cockpit. The 3-battery setup is a standout feature of the Fiido Titan. 2 spare batteries are cleverly housed beneath the luggage rack, allowing riders to extend their journey by simply swapping out depleted batteries. The primary battery in use is situated within the bike's down tube, ensuring a streamlined appearance. Together, these 3 batteries combine to provide an exceptional range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, a remarkable feat in the electric bike world. When it comes to pricing and availability, the Fiido Titan offers an attractive range of options to cater to a diverse audience of electric bike enthusiasts. The Titan, complete with its 3-battery setup that grants the bike an extraordinary range, is available for purchase on Fiido's official website. The price for this feature-packed electric bicycle is set at $2,397. For riders who may not require the extensive range offered by the 3-battery setup, Fiido provides an alternative choice. The single-battery configuration of the Titan is available at a more budget-friendly price point of just $1,699. This option ensures that those with varying needs and preferences can find the right fit for their specific use case and budget. Fiido's Titan is a testament to the continuous innovation taking place in the electric bike industry. With its impressive range, robust appearance, and versatile capabilities, it offers an exciting option for those seeking a reliable and long-range electric bike that can handle diverse terrains and heavy loads, all while maintaining accessibility and comfort for riders. As electric bike manufacturers like Fiido continue to push the envelope, we can expect even more exciting developments in the e-bike market in the coming years. I hope you liked this video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.